Auntie here again, back here with another video, and today we're gonna do a little DIY on how to make shirts with safety pins, like you know. So I'm gonna show y'all. So the three things that you guys will need are shirts. I went to Walmart and got like these muscle shirts. So muscle shirt, scissors, safety scissors, and I got like these safety pins. I went to Walmart. You get shirts like this. It just comes like this from Walmart. I got this from Walmart. It was like $7. All right, so I began by laying the shirt right out, and then I cut through the middle, making sure it was even. Then I got out my safety pins, and I started safety pinning the shirts together, making sure that it's even and it's in the right places, not too far and not too close from each other. And then I started doing right, left with the safety pin. And you also have to be careful because you might poke yourself a couple times, because that's what I did. Even though I had my dark shades on, I was looking at you all night long. I'm in the middle of the street. How did I ever let you leave? Oh no, why did I dream this fantasy? So this is how the first one looks. It's, you know, pretty cute. Just a regular muscle shirt. I cut it. And you can do it with any shirt. Like what I was wearing today, I was wearing the pink one. All right, so for the second design, I cropped it. So I decided to crop the shirt. Then I laid it flat out and decided that instead of doing a middle parting, I want to do a little side slit. So I took the scissors and cut through the shirt from the side. Then I proceeded by getting the safety pins out, and I decided to do 4 big safety pins and 4 small safety pins. So I started with the 4 big safety pins, making sure that it was even and there was enough space. And then I got out the 4 small safety pins and kept doing the same thing. And from that on, you just repeat and repeat. So this is how the second one turned out, you know, just. It's cute, I really like it. It's just. So this is how the second one turned out, just like a little side slit. I really like it. It's really cute, and yeah. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it so much, and I hope you guys use it as a reference to when you guys make your own shirts. And guess what? Everything was at Walmart, and it was cheap 99. It wasn't free 99, it was cheap 99. Everything rounded up to be around, like, the shirt was $7, the bobby pins were $2, and the scissors, if you have it at home, so it was like rounded up to be like $10, I guess. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys watch the video. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and turn that post notification on. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to like, comment, subscribe. And without further ado, we out.